相对而言呢，印度的潜在单价罚单的射程辐射能力和世界相对来说还有很大的差距。
The MLite-880 also has a very powerful function area, and it is one of the biggest differences between this radio and traditional radios, the audio settings menu, which is button 6. Finding a signal is only the first step. Sometimes you can see the spectrum and hear the sound, but the signal may still contain noise, or the audio may sound muffled and unclear. Button 6 helps solve these problems. Here, you can adjust the filter, NR noise reduction, and other settings to gradually make a noisy, unclear signal sound cleaner and clearer. In this episode, we'll take a detailed look at each function under button 6 and see how the MLite-880 provides a whole new listening experience. Button 6 opens the audio settings. These are 3 preset filter types that determine the frequency range of the sound you can hear. Narrow, normal, and wide, the thresholds corresponding to these 3 types can be customized in the 2 options below. Wider bandwidth gives richer treble but potentially more background noise. Narrower bandwidth gives cleaner sound and better interference rejection, but at the cost of reduced treble, resulting in a muffled listening experience.
交换只是过程，开机后重点在于交换之后，它要开始生产它的分根。如果没有它交换这个过程，巨大的这种投入啊、财政和拖欠的什么成本、债务的各种，所以首先面临的这个问题。第二个就是当时刚已经意识到，第一个就是非翻王时就是观察位置已经出问题，那翻王时就更是这样，没在中央朝。
Low frequency controls where the low frequency part of the audio starts to be preserved. If the sound feels boomy or muddy, you can raise it slightly to make voices sound clearer.
既然交换只是过程，我要推广我的这种智力，那显然智力现在就开始了。对别人而言
，High frequency controls the upper limit of the high frequencies. When shortwave background noise is strong, you can lower the high frequency limit. The noise will drop noticeably, but you'll lose some high tones.
他们天王月乐在江西湖南击破吴三桂主力，2个人率师还逃。他们在正式最困难的时候，是当上救火队员，作战表现明显是无法从事项目。为了迎接2大功臣，他们是亲自率领在京的孤王队伍让汉文武大臣专程出城到郊外的泸州桥接他们。
NR level is the noise reduction intensity. It only kicks in after you've turned on NR by pressing C on the main screen. C, the noise reduction level here is adjustable. If the signal is good, just lower the noise reduction level to enjoy better sound quality. If the signal is weak, crank up the noise reduction level to keep things clear. Just find a balance that you like.
最高规格的营收基本上都是局长多人啊，你们怎么来看对这些中心的奖励方式？
首先呢，它是叫做凝固中心的人心，证明出去超规格的接，这对于是一种尊重，尊重就能得到人心，这个拥护，这是巩固统治、巩固皇权的一个必要的措施。第二个，我们的延展应该这是理智的需要，封建社会在用点它是一样的，我们的电影方式，那服务的电材料。
WFM stereo is the FM stereo switch. You can turn it on when listening to FM music stations or when using headphones or a Bluetooth speaker. AGC stands for Automatic Gain Control. It automatically adjusts the gain according to the strength of the received signal. Fast reacts quickly and is suitable for situations where the signal changes rapidly. Slow and long are steadier and better for long listening sessions. Middle is the more general-purpose choice. In most cases, middle is enough. Manual gain is manual gain control. Many beginners think higher gain is always better, but that is not true. When gain is increased, the signal may become stronger, but the noise floor rises with it. When you encounter strong signal distortion, external antenna overload, or heavy background noise, you should actually reduce the gain.
第三个呢，就是为啥这些人来了之后都管那个工人？谁是一个工网管工人组，工人组的出，工人必然管，因为他这个有背景。现在我认为工网管，服那都得服，学习上有效的管理方式。
AGC limit sets the max gain for the auto level. Normally you can just keep it as is. Only adjust it if weak signals need a boost, or if strong signals or an external antenna are bringing in too much noise or overloading things.
中华人府你管进来说，就那几个东西随便管吧，跟我的空间没有什么任何的威胁。如果给你一个地方，或者说当个大官儿，省府大官说到天面，那是不得了。他又有功，他又有权，地方民生助力，便于天下，军中还有补救，这个东西是不是时间长，是不是有问题啊？就是中央没问题，随便管，咱们这同志啊，不是我这人都可以管，这后边后厨这些路都听你的，这能真管吗？他根本也不敢。 是吧？所以这个抬得高高的，实际上就是空的，所以这个是正常的生产。这就跟我们说的非常对。所以说，让人管中央，这是家人，中央就是家。
Noise blanker is mainly used to deal with impulse noise, such as ticking, clicking, or popping interference. It is different from NR. NR is more focused on reducing continuous background noise, while NB handles short bursts of impulse noise. If it is only normal shortwave hiss, NB may not make an obvious difference.
那你家是家长，你立的这个功是在家里做贡献，不是在家里做的时候就没有贡献的，这样的话，你都已经是空的了，而且一直从这个
NB threshold is the trigger threshold for NB. When adjusting this parameter, do not only look at the number, listen to the audio. If the impulse noise is clearly reduced but the voice also sounds unnatural or clipped, the setting is too aggressive and needs to be dialed back.
顺序的长期是在逐渐弱化其组和这个琴王的这个，对，不可能带给你更高的，不怎么办？除非就是两个地方你管说，家里是一个手上声大，第二个呢，这个一声大声，它本身它原来都是一声大声，但现在它就是不会再给你更高的这种响应，别的是这样的，所以郑老师说的加工也对。对于中心之外振动输出的降频，它其实有功率。
EQ is the tone setting. It does not actually improve reception capability, it only changes the sound character.
吴三桂访汉之初，陕西提督王子成将吴三桂送来的特产书信和信使一并上交朝廷。科副长觉得这样的表现就应该提级下来，立刻赏，以示奖励。提级呢就授予王辅臣3等子爵，任命他的
Key beep turns the button beep on or off.
我不过妻儿都在叛军手里，这是吴三桂的策划。康熙立即授予他齐多位的世职，也就是可以世袭了，并且将他身为生员的弟弟陈寿获得提拔为刑部主事。后来因为陈福表现优异，康熙又升
Squelch
陈寿为
threshold.
鸿胪寺少卿。
It is suitable for the air band, VHF monitoring, and scanning. When there is no signal, it can automatically mute the audio. When listening to weak shortwave signals, be careful. If the threshold is too high, a weak station may be muted before you even hear it.
这个出现不少令人哭笑不得的低级错误，但是康熙大多呢只是批评斥责，令他再次立功，或者是留到相府统一应对，很少在战时大开杀戒。
上合法在刑法这方面经过。
In this episode, we've covered the button 6 audio settings on the MLite-880. If you've already found a signal but the sound is not clear enough, button 6 is where you can start adjusting. Don't set all the parameters to the maximum right away. Instead, optimize them step by step based on the actual listening conditions. In the next episode, we'll continue with button 7, 8, and 9, how to save a station you like, or record it for later playback.